Hello, this is Gary and Cheryl Moore, my beautiful wife, and we just purchased the Monroe 21.
The best experience for us on building this home is I was pleasantly surprised how easy they made it. Shelley was very informative in things I had doubts about. She showed me exactly how to pick out the colors, and it all just came about great. What do you think?
Well, I had a lot of questions and requirements for the three-car garage, and Bree and Shelley both had the patience to go through that with me. What's kind of set Shaw apart from previous purchasing experiences, whether it be a house or car or whatever, is the organization of from the beginning of meeting Bree and going through the different model homes and thinking that would be overwhelming, and then going through the design process. In essence, everything was just so streamlined and organized. If we knew someone that was thinking of buying or building a house or compared to buying a used home, I would have them at least start out with Shaw and go through the process, the initial looking at lots and visiting with Bree or one of the sales force people, and going through that process, because it's very laid back, no pressure, and we're 3 weeks into it, and to this point I still feel no pressure whatsoever. And the no pressure sales approach and selection approach is beyond reproach.
Absolutely.
Another thing I'd like to make mention of is the model home tour. I think I mentioned it before, but that was very, very important and enlightening to us. And then through that process and to the process we're at today, I asked a lot of questions and really expected many times to say, don't know. But never heard that, always got answers to the question. And usually what I wanted. It was usually the answer I was looking for. Very good.